official launch of 2023 Goa Professional League powered by Cam Group of Companies. This is the biggest Goa Professional League organized ever in the history of GFA, with 13 teams to take a part this year edition. A record of 156 matches will be played in this season of GPL. Minimum wages players become the first state association in country to do so. We will give cash prize for each match of the player 2,500 rupees. The winner of GPL 2024 will be nominated to be I-League for 3rd division.
5th September, Kortali Villages and Kalangut Association. 6th September, Seza Football Academy, Gardiner Sports Club. And 7th September, Vasco Sports Club, Pets of Nagwa. हे सगळे मॅच 4 वाजता दुलियार ग्राउंडार जातले.